Running a WooCommerce store can be challenging. Are you struggling with limited coupon options, wasted marketing efforts, and missed customer engagement opportunities? Meet the WooCommerce Advanced Coupon Module by ShopLentor, your ultimate tool to supercharge your store promotions. With advanced features like coupon start dates for perfectly timed campaigns, bulk coupon generation will save you hours of manual work. URL coupons for one-click discounts in your email campaigns. Country, shipping, and payment restrictions for precise targeting. And user role restrictions to reward your VIP customers or wholesale clients. These tools are designed to tackle the common pain points store owners face. Difficulty creating personalized discounts. Inefficient manual coupon creation. Limited targeting options for promotions. Now, you can effortlessly attract more customers and increase conversions. Imagine your customers experiencing a seamless discount application with just one click, delivering convenience and boosting loyalty. Join over 100,000 store owners who trust ShopLentor to enhance their WooCommerce stores. Ready to revolutionize your coupon strategy? Try ShopLentor's Advanced Coupon Module today, because smarter coupons lead to more significant sales.